Have you seen that one guy who gets girls very easily? He goes out, talk to a girl he likes, makes her laugh, and then in no time they are exchanging numbers with each other. While an introvert guy usually gets ghosted by women. Well, this is the story of every introvert guy. But do you know why it happens? Why an extrovert make it easy for himself, make women comfortable around him, and also easily get intimate with women, while an introvert guy overthinks before even starting a conversation. It is not just because of being an introvert or an extrovert, or having introvert or extroverted nature. There is a whole science behind this, and this is the game of personality. Let's see how. MBTI. Every person has unique type of personality, and this personality is understood by MBTI. MBTI, it is also known as Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. It is a popular psychological framework that shows the personality type in a person. Confused? Okay. In simple words, when I say MBTI, it means I'm talking about a framework that helps you to understand how you see the world, make decisions, and interact with others. Everything about your personality comes under this particular thing. But how is it even important in dating? Well, actually, everything. When it comes to dating, personality type affects everything. It shows how you approach someone, how you express love, and even how you handle awkward situations. And if you understand MBTI, you understand your personality type. And once you know what type you are, you will know how to tackle any situation, right? MBTI is based on 8 different traits, and these are extroversion versus introversion, sensing versus intuition, thinking versus feeling, judging versus perceiving. Now, these 8 traits combine to create 16 different personality types for every person. Now, today we'll be talking about introversion versus extroversion, introverts versus extroverts. When I was in college, I went to a club with my friends, thinking I'll be having fun. I dressed up well and I was very excited to have some fun. We went into the club, but after some time, I started feeling a bit nervous. I used to be very introvert when I didn't even know how to talk to girls. But my friend Rohit, he was actually taking the lead into the entire party, and that time I was feeling crushed. I felt so fucking weak. Like I can't even talk to a girl. But this was not a sign of weakness. It was just my personality trait. Yes, a study happened recently. In that study, they took around 140 psychology students. Now, they gave them personality tests to these students to understand their introverted or extrovert personalities. After this, student did one social anxiety test about fear and avoidance in social situations. And they found out that introverted students showed higher level of social anxiety. समझ में आया? All this time when I was blaming myself to be weak, it was just the type of personality type that I had. From this study, it was proof that social anxiety is not actually a bad thing. It is just a trait. Not even this. A study was conducted that showed that nearly 67% of introverts feel anxious after being vulnerable with someone compared to 48% of extroverts. समझ में आ रहा है? कुछ जा रहा है समझ में? That means introverts are way more likely to overthink, replay conversation, and avoid emotional risk. I coached one of the guys who liked a girl for around 6 months, but never got the courage to tell her that. And in the end, what happened? He lost the girl. Introversion personality trait makes it difficult to talk to anyone or girls, be more confident around them, or to get intimate with them. It is not on you. It is just the personality type you have that is the problem. Now, you know the problem, you can find a solution for it as well. So, how to improve? You don't have to become an extrovert to have a good dating life. You just need these 3 mind shifts to change your whole dating scenario and become more confident with women. Number 1, be your own self. So, you are an introvert, you are quiet, you get nervous easily. Cool. Just be upfront about it. Like, literally, go to her, start a conversation with her, and then tell her that I am feeling a bit nervous talking to you. But I really wanted to have some fun conversation with you as well. That's why I came here. Ask her something about she's passionate about, rather talking about your own stuff. When she talks, just listen. You don't have to say anything while she's talking, and you don't even have to look fool. Use your strength. If you are an introvert, you are good at listening. You are an observant. You are thoughtful, and you are a really good listener. Use that wisely. So, in short, you don't have to be loud to be seen. Right? Number two, low stake at socializing. Being an introvert is normal to hate club and parties, and it is fine to not go there. Then where to find girls? Well, everywhere. You don't have to wait to go to a club or to a party to talk to girls. Talk to women on streets. Join a get together like a book club or a run club and approach women there. Now there you can talk to women about books, parties, movies, or anything. I mean, you can share the same interest. So stay low, have a mindset. Starting small is still starting. Once you get comfortable around women and get confident, go wherever you want and talk to any woman you like. Number three, be prepared. Being an introvert is hard to come up with lines and sarcasm at the same time, and that is where you mess up. You try to impress her, but you get bummed out. So prepare yourself beforehand. Have something in your mind that you know you will be talking about, like conversation starter. Have some lines in your mind. So when you go and talk, you know exactly what to say, how to start, where to lead, and I have also attached some conversation starters that you can use, and it is free. The mindset shift you need here is preparing yourself is not being fake. It's self-respect. Preparing helps me show up as the best version of myself. So, you don't need to change who you are to be good at dating. You just need to understand how you connect. When having introvert personality makes you feel left out, it also gives you focus, listening ability, and attention to details. You just need to use your strength. Start small, stay real, and trust me, the right people will notice. This was a video majorly focused on being an introvert. I'll be creating more such deep research-based videos on dating and personalities. So follow for more and comment if you find it relatable to yourself. Also, if you have any more doubts, put yourself in comment. Thank you so much. Have a really nice day.